Okay, I'm awake now and did not need coffee. Well, I do, but I always do. All right, guys, let's talk about the chaos. I'd confess that I sat down in the middle of my floor and bawled my eyes out during the process, at least once, maybe twice. Um, but again, I was my own realtor. I knew the process, I knew the plan. I decided to list my house in the spring market. Not wise when you're a realtor. Okay? Because you're working like crazy, you're trying to sell your house, you're trying to declutter. Yeah. And your kids are away at college. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It was a little chaotic. But here's a good part, you're not going to be selling your house yourself. You're not going to be doing this to yourself. You've got us. And we're going to help you stay calm and get you through the chaos.
All that's done by following that plan, picking your timeline and trying to adhere to that.
Mm-hmm. And, and again, we're going to get you so well organized based on what works for you, not for us.
Correct.
And you're going to have a plan in place. And when you do, it's going to go very smooth and you're going to avoid all the chaos.
Yeah. And we're here. Call us. We can help you, listen to you, walk you through what the next part is.
Yes. And it's not going to be just one meeting. We're going to become friends. Gotcha. Promise. But, we're going to keep repeating the same things over and over right now.
Absolutely.
It's going to feel overwhelming at times. It's going to feel chaotic at times. You're going to be stressed at times. But by working with a team and having a plan, it's going to be so much less chaotic. It's going to be less overwhelming. It's going to be less stressful. And then when you get to your new house, you're going to be like, and you're going to be like, they had my back the whole time.
Absolutely.
So, but give us a call. And again, when you feel the chaos jumping in, call us.
We're here.
All the time. 24/7. No,
man.
Not really. But you're not in this alone. And we'll hold your hand. And when you are starting to feel the stress, we'll talk you through it and we'll be there to help you. Okay? All right. Till next time.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.